Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by securing your data because fixing an SSD can risk files. Copy critical folders to an external drive or cloud and verify backups. Once done, power down the PC, unplug it, and ground yourself. Static kills components. Now locate the SSD. Is it a SATA 2? 5-inch drive, an M2 NVMe, or on a PCIe adapter? Make sure you know the interface and available slots so you can remove or reseat the drive correctly and avoid incompatible mounting choices. You now perform diagnostic and repair actions to isolate the issue. First, reseat the SSD and swap the cable or slot to eliminate connector problems. A bad cable often mimics drive failure. Next, boot to the vendor's firmware tool and update firmware. This fixes controller bugs and runs smart and health diagnostics. Use secure erase only when you have backups. If the drive remains unrecognized, boot a Linux Live USB to inspect partitions and smart attributes. That often reveals firmware hangs or partition table corruption. You finish by validating the fix. If diagnostics are clean, reinstall your OS or restore the image and enable trim plus OSI or correct PCIe mode in BIOS for best performance. If problems persist, move the SSD into another known good PC to confirm whether the issue follows the drive. This rules out motherboard problems. Should the drive still fail, collect smart logs, firmware, and serial info, and reproduce the failure steps so you can file a clear RMA request. Manufacturers need evidence to approve warranty replacements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.